Welcome back. Now you could find that you are using the same pages over and over again. If that's the case, what you'll want to do first is you'll want to take the page that you are using, then click Clone Funnel Step. When you get that cloned step, you can go down to the bottom of your page. You can then go to your cloned page. That'll bring you to your cloned page. You're then going to open up your editor. You're going to come inside of your settings, go to the general area. Get to the general area, you're then going to click Save Page as Template. You want to give your template a name, and then you'll click Create Template. And now inside of your personal page templates, you now have a standard download page. And you'll now be able to use that page inside of any of your funnels anytime that you want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.